Hi friends, my name is Karthikeya and I'm studying in 5th grade in Meru International School. Today I'm going to show you how to make Laukika kheer. For this you'll need a bottle gourd. You have to grate this bottle gourd into small pieces. Now take a piece of it and grate it well. Squeeze out the excess water. Now switch on the stove and add some ghee. Add the white grated pumpkin to this. This will take around 6 minutes. Now let's add some milk. Stir it continuously for another 5 minutes. Now add some sugar. And I have grinded some cardamom with sugar. And even some nuts. Stir it well until it becomes thick. It's smelling so nice now. Gets ready, let it cool down to room temperature, then you can serve it cool or like that.